Let's
Thank
go.
you, Shankarji. Thank you. So the next performance is a Marathi abhang, full of devotion, joy, and rhythmic excitement, set to Rag Malkos from the album Abhangavani. The artist is Pandit Bhimsen Joshi ji, composed by Srinivas Kaleji, and the lyricist Saint Tukaram. Savale Sundar, we are listening to up next. Thank you.
तुझ ऐसे जीवन
रूप मनोहर सावळे सुंदर विठ्ठल 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 जय हरी विठ्ठल 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 जय हरी विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठला That was an amazing performance. Yes, Shankarji.
Yeah. Oh my God. What a beautiful rendition of this. One of my favorite abhangs, because it has been composed by Srinivas Khaliji, whom I consider my guru. Not that I sat and I learned from him, I had experienced his process of composing music. I was there, I have heard this Savale Sundara being sung not only by Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, but by Khale Kaka himself, Srinivas Khaliji. He used to sit like this, at a distance of 5 feet, and he used to be singing, and I used to listen to this song in mehfils that used to happen. What a beautiful composition. And Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, he's taken it to another level. And today, I'm so proud to see our students perform this song, which is, so beautifully rendered today. I'd like to congratulate Rudransh, Chinmay, Amaya, Chavana Kumar, Ayushman Mishra. All of you sang so beautifully. And of course, our ever enthusiastic Amaya was taking the lead in between with beautiful alaps. Amaya, how are you doing? Good to see you again.
Namaste, Shankarji. I'm fine. I'm now in Aachen, Germany. That is at border town.
You're in Germany?
Aachen is where that World War II had occurred, the battle, Aachen.
Okay. And it is always such a joy to see you perform, Amaya.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. The way in the middle, with devotion, you fold hands and you remember the Lord. And even when you're listening to other people, I'm observing you in the whole group of gallery window, how attentively you listen to other people. And really, I'm proud to have you as a student of our academy.
Thank you, sir.
Amaya.
Yeah, but
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
You want to say something? How was the experience?
If I...
You want to sing something?
Yeah, I've just reached Aachen for a...
Sing something.
Okay. I just wanted to sing something of Kannada Raja Pandaricha. That's also another abhang. Kannada Raja Pandaricha, Kannada Raja Pandaricha, Veda nahi kalala ant paryacha, Kannada Raja Pandaricha, Kannada Raja Pandaricha.
Thank you, man. Thank you, sir.
It's always a pleasure having you.
That is...
You know how much joy you spread to the other people? You give a lot of joy to other people. And you're also an inspiration.
Thank you, sir.
All the other students who performed this also, heartiest congratulations. I really, really enjoyed this performance. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shankarji. Thank you.
Jai Hari Vittal.
So the teachers for this performance are Shubhada Mudol, Asavari, Arundhati and Manisha Ram.